This is how you're going to install and enable SMTP in Hostinger. So step 1 is you're going to log into your Hostinger H panel, and then from here on the left side menu, you're going to click on emails. Now from here, you're going to click on manage at the right side of the email that you want to edit. And then from here, from the manage, you're going to find your email account, and then you're going to click on configure. You will see your SMTP details right here. So it will say smtp.hostinger.com. You will see your port, your username, and then your password as well. Now step 3 is if you're setting up WordPress, you're going to install the WP Mail SMTP plugin from your dashboard. In the WP Mail SMTP settings, you're going to select other SMTP. Then enter the details from step 2, which is what we found from the configure section of our Hostinger. Next is we're going to save settings, and then we're going to send a test mail. If it works, it means that SMTP is enabled. Now, if your email client asks for IMAP or POP3, you can use the IMAP and POP3 that you can also find from your Hostinger. Now your Hostinger email is connected with SMTP and ready to send. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.